Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now, we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Yay! Thank you!
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, they are ngā whetū, they are stars. But not just any stars, these are the Matariki cluster.
Clue tuarua right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a manoa, a heart.
And clue tuatoru, our final clue, is sitting right next to us here. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it's a poi. Do you know what? We have all 3 clues. We have the Matariki cluster, we have a heart, a manoa, and we have a poi.
Oh, I know. We're going to sing our Matariki waiata, Hiwa-i-te-rangi.
Aye, it is. And this is a beautiful song where we get to send our wishes from our heart all the way up to Hiwa-i-te-rangi. And we've got some poi actions for you.
So let's count te toru and go and have a sing-along together. Tahi, rua, toru,
Make a wish from your heart, a wish that only you can impart. Now close your eyes, count to 5, then send them up to the wishing star. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, the wishes that are close to our heart. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, 'cause you're the wishing star. Oh, your wishes may come true if you help yourself out too. Use the strength of the star to guide your wishes far. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, the wishes that are close to our heart. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, 'cause you're the wishing star.
I wish I was good at cricket. I wish I could draw realistic.
Ko te tūmanapo, te tino kai haka ahau.
I wish I was an all black. I wish that I could spell long words. I wish I could ride a pony.
I hope to be the best hip-hop dancer in the world.
I wish I could learn the school haka.
Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, the wishes that are close to our heart. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, 'cause you're the wishing star. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, the wishes that are close to our heart. Hiwa-i-te-rangi, catch our wishes, 'cause you're the wishing star.
That was so much fun. I loved using the poi in that waiata.
Which was your favourite action to do on the poi?
Oh, that's a good one.
Very cool.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara, it's time to remember some of the kupu i te reo Māori that we learned today. Some of the Māori words. Now our first one, can you remember which Matariki star we sang about today? It starts with the sound Hiwa-i-te-rangi.
We also counted up to 4 before sending off our wishes to the star. Can you remember how to say one i te reo Māori? Starts with the sound ta, tahi.
Alright, can you remember how to say two i te reo Māori? It starts with the sound r, ru, rua.
Can you remember how to say 3 in te reo Māori? It starts with the sound ta, tō, tōru.
And our last one, can you remember how to say the number 4 i te reo Māori? Starts with the sound fa, 4. Should we do it all together? Ready? Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Send them up to the star. Hey, we hope you enjoyed doing our new poi song, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, and we hope you learned some new actions as well. Alright, should we go sing our goodbye song together? Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!